Hello everyone, Mehdi from SuperVac. Today we are introducing the next evolution in high expansion foam technology. We have our all new foam generator with more power, more efficiency and more foam. A new bypass ejector that allows 3% water versus foam. A new netting that it's made from military grade high intensity kit fabric. And a new environmentally friendly foam concentrate which is fluorine free and 100% degradable. Compared to the previous versions, the upgraded foam generator delivers 20% more foam, uses 20% less water, and is 20% faster. It's designed for ease of use with adjustable settings for any fans or smoke ejectors applications. For more information about our foam generators, smoke ejectors, or battery fans, please visit supervac.com. Upgrade today and experience foam like never before. Thank you.